Teachers, correctional facility employers, and state troopers are just some of the positions that might be seeing salary increases.
Yeah, this is big news over at the State House. Very exciting. The Senate Finance Committee has approved a $13 billion budget for the next fiscal year, and that would give pay bumps to our state workers. News 19, Sam Perez has the details.
I think we need the best teachers in our district, and we need to pay our teachers well. Well, just what they do is so important to educate our children.
Adam Lynch is a parent to 4 young children and says he wants the best education his kids can get. But right now, South Carolina and schools across the country are struggling to recruit and retain educators.
Our schools opened this school year with about 1,500 vacant teaching positions.
Patrick Kelly is an AP U.S. government teacher in Richland School District 2 and the Director of Governmental Affairs for Palmetto State Teachers Association. He says a pay increase might help with this shortage.
We're increasingly seeing teachers leaving the profession because they can receive much higher pay for their skill set and their qualifications in the private sector. And so if we're going to reverse this teacher shortage, teacher salaries have to be a part of that equation.
Educators aren't the only state employees who might see a pay increase, though. All state workers making less than $50,000 would get a $2,500 increase in their salary.
And those are the ones that hit the hardest on inflation. Inflation are picking the pockets of our state employees.
If they make more than $50,000, they'd get a 5% raise, a measure Senator Daryl Jackson says is significant.
And this is perhaps the largest increase that I've seen since I've been here, one time for state employees. That's quite a statement that we're sending to our state employees.
This would expand to jobs like nurses and officers working in the state prison system.
As more staff means more security, safer prisons, safer for the public, and safer for everybody that's involved.
Brian Sterling is the director for the South Carolina Department of Corrections. Since he started in 2013, Sterling tells me gradual salary increases have helped with hiring.
Before it was one in, one out. Now we are adding. So now we're at 268,100 extra officers, which is amazing.
Now the approved budget is heading to the Senate floor. Reporting in Columbia, Sam Perez, News 19 WLTX.
The state is also covering any increases in health insurance premiums for state workers. The House must now also sign off, though, on these increases.